Hi there, history friends. This is the Gilded Age assessment. The first question is all about the Gilded Age, and it has two parts. The first says, identify why this time period was referred to as the Gilded Age. What does this term mean? What group of people is targeted in this era? Feel free to pause and then hit play when you're ready for the next question. The next question says, give at least one example of something that was gilded in America during this time. Why was it seen as gilded? Number 2 is robber baron versus captain of industry. What is the difference between a robber baron and captain of industry? Part B, what is one way someone can be a robber baron during this era? What are the robber barons robbing others of? The third question is related to immigration. It says, why did so many immigrants leave their home country for the United States? What's a push factor? Part B, what was pulling them to the US? So, what are some of those pull factors? Part C, were there any hardships in their experiences traveling to and arriving in America? If so, please give some examples. And then Part D, how are the experiences of immigrants related to the term the Gilded Age? All right, our fourth set of questions is related to muckrakers and child labor. Part A, what was the goal of muckrakers during the Gilded Age? And Part B, Florence Kelley was a muckraker who spoke out against child labor in the US. What was it like for the children that had to work during this time period? All right, when you're finished, make sure that you double check that you've answered all the questions, and then you can turn your test in. Thank you.